every once in a while I'll just stop and listen. That makes other animals nervous and they might break or bolt from the area. Maybe catch some wildlife on film. It's an old hunter's technique. Walk along, stop. Take 20 steps, stop. Listen for a few minutes. Something back there. I just spotted a squirrel up in the trees. That's probably what I was hearing. All the foliage moving. It sounds big. It's all part of the fun of it. You get your heart rate up. You wonder what's out there. And you blaze on. You might get a picture of a deer, a bear, a mountain lion. Or a Sasquatch. That'd be a big one. You never know. There's a little hollow. Little drainage. All animals love to follow drainages. You get water. It conceals their movement. Large and small animals. All right, I'll keep on moving. I made a discovery. I got a creature right in the road. Walk up real slow. Maybe it won't notice. Notice how shaky the camera gets. I can't get it focused. It's called slowfoot. Some kind of a turtle. It's laying eggs in the middle of the road. It's that time of the year. I'll check it out when I get home, what kind of turtle this is. Right now I'm disturbing it. I'm going to let it lay its eggs. Alright. I'll be right back. I made it to my final destination. I'm at the cave entrance, I believe. There we go. There's a cabin in the trees, and there's the shed, I believe, that marks the cave entrance. Just to be on the safe side, I'm going to go down there and check out the actual cave it is, if it is so. It's supposed to be here. It's a National Park Service building, and they're doing some construction, and I don't know what it is. Okay. The sign says Floyd Collins home. So, see a trail going down here. I'll go down here just a little bit. Could be an outhouse trail for all I know. I don't know what's going on down here. I gotta turn around pretty soon. It is a well-beaten path. I don't know what's going on down here. I wish things were more well marked. I'm just going to go down a little bit.